Hi viewers, welcome you all. Today I am going to show you how to prepare stuffed brinjal from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Enjoy. Ingredients for stuffed brinjal. Brinjal medium size 10 number, 1 teaspoon of roasted gram, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of chana dal. No, everything is in tablespoon, not teaspoon. Everything is in tablespoon. 1 number red chili, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. What we have to do is we have to fry all these things with little oil, make as a powder. Cut the brinjal in the way it should not cut fully. You have to cut 3/4 of the brinjal as 4 quarters. Put this powder inside that one, stuff this one with this. Then you can fry in the oil, not deep fry, little oil, around 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon oil. You have to keep the brinjal in that one with the stuffed powders. Fry that one and take afterwards. That's it. It's stuffed brinjal, stuffed kathirikai. Heat it up, add little oil. We're going to fry all the ingredients. Chana dal 1 tablespoon, after a little it get off fried, then we're going to add coriander seeds, red chili, then we're going to add rest of the ingredients, that is roasted gram and sesame seeds. Everything is only 1 tablespoon. If you want more spicy, you can add 1 more red chili, but this red chili is too hot, that's why we added only 1. For this quantity, only 1 red chili is enough. Yeah, now this is enough. Switch off the flame, let it cool. After it gets cooled, we have to grind this one as coarse powder. This we will use for stuffing in brinjal. Transfer the roasted ingredients in the blender. We're going to add salt to taste. We're going to grind this one in the blender. You have to grind as coarse powder. Now itself I am getting the flavor of the mixture. Nice flavor. See, we have to cut the brinjal like this. It's not fully cut, only 3/4 of the brinjal cut into 4 quarters. Now we are going to stuff the ingredients which we have prepared as a coarse powder. See, we are stuffing this one with the powder like this. We have to stuff each and every brinjal like this. Now there is no much ingredients, only chana dal, roasted gram, sesame seeds, coriander seeds and 1 number red chili. That's it. See, we have stuffed all the brinjals. It's ready to cook now. We're going to fry in little oil this brinjal, stuffed kathirikai from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. We're going to add little oil. It's not deep fry actually. Around 1.5 tablespoon to fry the brinjal. let the oil get heated up. So we will place the brinjal one by one. See, like this. It should be in sim flame, so it will cook properly. Otherwise it will cook only in the outside if you are keeping on high flame. It's in sim flame now. It's getting cooked slowly. We're going to turn one by one, slowly like this, so the stuff will be inside. Because we are not putting any binding in this one, just the ingredients only. We are not using any binding, like we are not using any flour, all-purpose flour or corn flour. We put only the ingredients. That also as a powder. So slowly we have to turn all the brinjals to the other side. It will take time, but children will love it, definitely. Always in sim flame, cook in sim flame. See, the color changes in the brinjal. That means it's get cooked. So we have to slowly cook like this. We have to turn and keep for some time, turn and keep for some time. The stuff is inside. Some of the stuff's fallen in the oil. That's no problem. Actually, we used to prepare the brinjal chutney, but I will show you sometimes later that one. But you can check all other chutneys in my channel. You can subscribe my channel. There are all the chutneys, sambar, different varieties of food, vegetarian food I had given in that one. You subscribe my channel and you can check all the videos. We're going to check whether it is fully cooked or not. See, it's very soft. It's cooked very soft. It's like a butter. It's cooked very soft. See, it's nicely going inside. Stuffed brinjal is ready to serve. It's ready to eat. It's very soft, it's fully cooked. So we're going to transfer this one to the panel. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.